Hello everyone, welcome back to Super Kalam. I am your mentor Arpita Sharma, and this is the most awaited announcement session that all of you were waiting for. Antim Revision UPSC 2025. Last year we conducted a similar session called Power Revision, and that was a brilliant revision series that we conducted for one and a half months. Because of that power revision, the best part happened, which happened was 43 questions directly came from our power revision in prelims 2024. So many students enhanced their accuracy percentage while solving prelims related questions. So many students were able to complete their backlogs in GS because of that power revision session. And on the same line, but with a different twist and more disciplined timetable, we are bringing the Antim Revision UPSC 2025. I'm going to help you understand how this revision is going to help you, what we are going to do in this Antim Revision. But before that, it's very important to understand what our problems are. Because पता ही नहीं होगा हम क्या गलती कर रहे हैं तो improve कैसे करेंगे, right? There are three parts in which we can divide our problems in the UPSC preparation. First is completing or understanding what are the core GS topics that we need to focus on. यानी कि prioritization की problem. Everybody is having the same problem, right? Second problem is comprehensively covering the current affairs. Last one and a half month year के current affairs है, कैसे इसको cover करें, how to solidify it, how to revise it. And third, the most neglected part of this preparation is PYQs. Now, here I have to be a bit strict because time and again I have told you previous year questions, especially of the last 11 years, are of utmost importance. But कितने ही students हैं जो ये बात मेरी सुनते हैं, है ना? PYQs are the soul of UPSC. They tell you what UPSC thinks and what UPSC demands from you when you are starting your preparation or are into this preparation. And these are the three things that are going to be sorted in the Antam revision. Next important aspect, the seriousness of this time for revision. मुझे पता है अभी भी काफी बच्चे इस चीज को प्रायोरिटाइज नहीं कर रहे होंगे. Ideally, from Jan 2025 till March end 2025, your revision should be completed. बिकॉज अप्रैल सिंस अप्रैल यू विल स्टार्ट ओनली प्रैक्टिसिंग. आप सिर्फ प्रैक्टिस पे ध्यान दे रहे होगे. यू विल बी फोकसिंग ओनली ऑन सी सैट फ्रॉम अप्रैल ओनवर्ड्स, राइट? 2 महीने तो लगाओगे सी सैट पे. 25th May is your exam date. And the students, they start panicking in April. Why? Because they miss out on this crucial time of revision, of consolidating current affairs, GS core static topic, प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन एटसेट्रा. और जब ये टाइम निकल जाता है, जो कि बहुत जल्दी निकलेगा, फेब्रुवरी मंथ इज अ वेरी स्मॉल मंथ, एंड देन यू विल फील द प्रॉब्लम इन अप्रैल. तब आएगा एंग्जाइटी इशू, एंड वी हैव टू अवॉइड दिस. ये एंग्जाइटी इशू जो होने वाला है, इसको अवॉइड करना है, एंड दैट इज वाई वी आर स्टार्टिंग द अंतिम रिविजन. So through daily targets, through a very structured, planned timetable based approach, through daily test, by covering even PYQs, budget, economic survey, important government reports, indices, species in news, places in news, we are going to cover our entire syllabus revision till 22nd of March. 22 मार्च तक हम इस अंतिम रिवीजन सीरीज में अपना पूरा कोर सिलेबस जीएस का along with current affairs, along with PYQs कवर करेंगे. This is going to be the disciplined plan starting from 4th of Feb till 22nd March, so that your April 2025 month goes anxiety free, panic free and stress free, ताकि आप सिर्फ प्रैक्टिस पे और सी सैट पर ध्यान दे सको. This is going to be a targeted approach in our Antim revision series. Last time, when we ran our power revision session, I saw a 10x improvement in students. उनकी जो prelims की MCQ solve करने की accuracy थी ना, वो 10x improve हुई थी. How powerful that revision series was, that the students who were having more yellow boxes, accuracy percentage was low. Those students improved their accuracy percentage. See, dark green and light green boxes. जहां पर आप देख रहे हो एक्यूरेसी परसेंटेज इंक्रीज हो रही है, ड्रास्टिकली इंप्रूव हो रही है. दिस वाज द विजिबल इंप्रूवमेंट इन स्टूडेंट्स प्रीलिम्स अप्रोच. And because that power revision session that we used to take last year was so powerful, so impactful, the content, the cheat sheets, the mind maps that I shared with all of you, they were so well researched. 43 questions directly हमने देखे थे prelims 2024 में. That is the power and that is the magic of focused study. So from tomorrow onwards, There will be daily targets based on the timetable that I shared with you. This timetable will also be shared on our Telegram community. There will be live classes 3 times a week: Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, 8 p.m. So that we can club together in our live session the important topics. We can cover them through mind maps and cheat sheets. Along with live class, there will be a live test also, so that I can also check if you guys are studying and following the timetable properly or not. Every day at 6 p.m. on your Telegram community, you will be getting a 20 MCQ based test so that you can revise what you have studied that day. Sunday ko there will be no target. Why? Because on Sunday there will be a mega test. 50 questions ka 100 marks ka mega test hoga, clubbing together the weekly targets along with current affairs and PYQs. मैं PYQs को हरगिज नहीं छोड़ने वाली हूँ. This is going to be our Antim revision for UPSC 2025, and I want all of you to participate in this revision series with full dedication and discipline. Even if you have missed out on any core GS topic, ट्रस्ट मी, वो इस अंतिम रिवीजन में भी कवर किया जाएगा. इफ यू हैव मिस्ड आउट ऑन PYQs सो फार, अभी तक PYQs कवर नहीं किए, वी आर गोइंग टू कवर देम इन दिस रिवीजन सीरीज. करंट अफेयर्स इज नॉट वेल प्रिपेयर्ड, दोज विल बी वेल प्रिपेयर्ड इन दिस रिवीजन सीरीज. So promise me in the comment section that you are going to be a part of this Antim revision session, which is going to start from tomorrow with full discipline and dedication. When you promise, that's when your successful journey towards Prelims 2025 will begin. Let's meet from tomorrow onwards, warriors. अंतिम रिवीजन को अपना मोस्ट सक्सेसफुल रिवीजन बनाना है और आज से डिसिप्लिन होना शुरू करना है.